Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of electronics technology news is hybrid engine drone system boosts stealth and endurance. This hybrid engine innovation blends fuel generation with electric propulsion, enabling drones to fly longer distances while reducing noise for stealth missions. New hybrid unit could power China's next generation of small battle drones. Chinese engineers have developed a hybrid propulsion system for drones that combines fuel-based power generation with electric propulsion, aiming to improve both endurance and stealth. This approach merges the strengths of traditional combustion engines with the advantages of electric systems, offering a more versatile solution for modern drone operations. Drone propulsion has typically followed two distinct paths. Larger uncrewed aircraft rely on fuel-powered engines, which provide higher power output and longer flight ranges but produce significant noise and heat, making them easier to detect. In contrast, smaller drones commonly use battery-electric systems, which operate more quietly and emit less heat, reducing their visibility. However, these systems are limited by shorter flight times and reduced operational range. The new hybrid system addresses these trade-offs by integrating both technologies into a single platform. A recently tested 60 kilowatt unit demonstrates how fuel can be used to generate electricity during flight, powering an electric motor that drives the drone. This setup allows the drone to switch between modes depending on mission requirements, using fuel-based generation for extended range and switching to electric-only operation when low noise and minimal heat signatures are critical. This dual-mode capability is particularly useful in environments where stealth and endurance must be balanced. By reducing acoustic and infrared signatures during sensitive phases of a mission, the system enhances survivability while still enabling long-distance operations. The design also reflects ongoing efforts to improve unmanned aerial vehicle performance, especially as drones are increasingly deployed in complex and contested scenarios. The hybrid system reportedly separates power generation from thrust. A compact gas turbine drives a generator to charge onboard batteries, while an electric ducted fan provides propulsion. This configuration allows efficient energy use and smoother transitions between operating modes. Its compact design also ensures compatibility with smaller drone platforms without sacrificing performance. By combining endurance with reduced detectability, this hybrid propulsion system offers a promising step forward for next-generation unmanned aircraft. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.